Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island. Today I'm not smiling quite, to be quite honest. Like I was just crying just now, just bawling my eyes out. So Judah called me just now, and you know, she's like, she had something to tell me, and I was like, yo, what, my dog's dead? And she's like, yeah, he died. I mean, yo, don't look for me to cry on camera. I ain't gonna do that. Like, honestly, right now, I feel like I wanna cry, but I ain't gonna cry on camera for nothing. You feel me? So, like, I know he was, you know, he was getting weaker, and because he had cancer. You feel me? I could see the tumor and stuff. And I was like, you know what? When I get back, I was gonna, you know, put him down, and I was gonna do a video and say goodbye. But you know, dogs are kind of funny too. Maybe, you know, he didn't even see me there for like a whole week, and you know, he probably just gave up, you know. And it makes it like, do that. Like, right now I'm not sad because he died. That's far from it, man. I'm not sad because he died. That's not even why I'm sad, because I mean, dogs live 7 times our age, meaning, you know, 10 years in a dog's life is pretty much like 70. And like the only thing that's flashing back in my head, yo, is just the loyalty, yo. The loyalty to everything. You feel me? Like, let me tell you how that dog was, because I was gonna do a whole video on this, man. Like, what that dog was, that dog would be the first one to come and get all the time. And as soon as I go inside the house, like the side grill that I always show you guys most times, like, he would like lay at the grill. Like, that dog knew my routine like clockwork. You feel me? So I'm not sad because he's gone. I mean, he lived a life, he lived a good life, a long life. But I'm just sad at the fact that all those memories, yo, like all the times that I know like he got my back with stuff. You feel me? Like at my house, I was never afraid of like being robbed or anybody breaking in, never. And that's pretty much the reasons why I got like capo, mocha, and latte, because like I knew he was getting old, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give him the I'm gonna get these dogs right now so that he could train them, you know, train them into that sounds stupid, right? Like, it's like some training type of stuff, but not in that way. Like, he could, you know, help groom them as puppies and stuff, and he did his thing, you know. He fought with Capo a lot, you feel me? So Capo can know what it is to actually have aggression in his life, you know, man, whatever. But that's what this video is going to be about right now, man. My battery's dying. The next vlog I'm gonna put out is to my subscriber KT. He's coming. I'm gonna link up with him to go to the gym. I'm not feeling 100%, not because of the dog, but
my dream car would have all of these things.
Yo, you guys know these 3 things you can say for yourself.
When you're on a golden sea, you don't need no memory, just a place to call your own as we drift into the zone.